friends, welcome back to another plan with me in honor of St. Patrick's Day. This week I am using our Lucky Weekly Kit. I love decorating my planners for any kind of holiday. Let's bust open my planner for the week. This is just a little glimpse at what last week looked like. This is one of my favorite times of the year to decorate my planner as we're heading into spring with all of the bright and pastel colors. I have missed using colors in my planner. For some reason, winter, I still decorate, but it doesn't get as colorful as this. Now, when I begin planning my week, I use this extra page before the week to give me a little bit of a weekly overview as I write my this week checklist, and then I jot down some notes for next week. On the right side, I put any kind of highlights or important information. This page is crucial when planning my week. I always flip back to it to reference throughout the week. Now I'm going to lay down some weekly headers, and I did something different this week where I put down the other heart headers underneath it to give it more of that cohesive rainbow theme. I'm not sure if I love it, but I just ran with it. And then the Lucky Weekly Kit comes with this washi tape page, so I decided to add some of those elements in with the Lucky washi tape itself. I love layering washi tape. I just think it gives such a fun and kind of scrapbooky feel in my planner. And to continue with that, my full boxes are a little scattered throughout, and now I'm going in and writing down some important dates and to-do lists throughout the week. As you may know, I'm more of a day-to-day kind of planner, but as I do know that I have some important things throughout the week, I can fill in a little bit here and there. If you're wanting to take a peek at what my finished spreads look like, I highly recommend following me over on Instagram at TheHoneyBShop. I post midweeks pretty consistently over there. While I'm filling out some things, I want to ask, do you like voiceover plan with me's or music plan with me's where there's no chatting or anything in the background, just some music playing? I want to know what your preference is, so let me know down below in the comments. Anywho, let's get into my daily spreads. This B6 planner is our half year, which includes those daily pages behind each week. I use both our full year and half year planners. The full year features the weekly spreads only, and then again, the half years have these daily spreads. So you can use them both for different things. I love having a daily to-do list though, and as you can see, the left column is for my highlights. So anything that's really important to me goes on the left side, kind of like a little call out, and then I have my task lists on the right column. As I'm chatting with you, I'm just realizing how much planner peace this planner gives me. And after I record this voiceover, I'm probably going to go snag 20 of these planners and hide them for myself because I don't know what to do when they run out of stock and I don't have this planner anymore. I just want to use this planner for the rest of my life, if I'm being honest. I think I've completed 3 so far, and this is my 4th. Have you experienced planner peace in your planners? And if you have, let me know what planners you do love using every single day. Now, I've been slapping some decorative stickers on my daily pages, and I don't really sticker up my daily pages, to be honest. Just adding a little bit of decoration works for me. Now, if you don't want to miss another video, make sure to subscribe and click that bell notification so that I see you in my next video. Bye, guys!